Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use a micro. Today we are going to learn how to make a report card using a Microsoft Word. So we are going to come here. Yes, hotel. As you can see, this is the report card that I came up with. These are the names of the students. These are the subjects that I came up with. Of course, this is the report card that I made, but first of all, when you start making a report card, it's going to bring for you a play sheet. So I wrote your names, math, English, SST, science, then total, average, position, then comment. First of all, you start with the names, math, English, SST, and science. So like here, these ones are done. Then this one, we go to home, we have insights, we have group, page layout, we have formulas, we have data, we have review, view, and help. So first of all, we are going to come here. We want to find the total, average, and position of the student. So these are the functions. This one you can get in the functions, as you can see. The similar of getting functions. Then this one, in case you want to make the words to be bold, or in case you want to put them in a bottom border, you can also apply that to your report card. So we are going to come here. Since we want to get a report card, we're going to come here. We're going to we're going to start with putting the equal signs. Of course, when you want to make a report card, when you find the total, you use the equal sign. So we are going to say equals to. You can come here to the formula bar, or you can just click here like this, like that, like this. As you can see, we want to say we have some problems here. So it's 0. Let's go back here. Then you can also come here. Let's I put the equal signs, then you come back here. No. Then you can come here. Then you put the cursor right there. Then you roll it up to down like that. Then on average marks, you're going to put also the same equal signs. Then on average, you can put the equal signs like that. Then you also come here to the formula bar. Then you tap on average. After tapping on the average, you're going to come here and press OK. As you can see, we have our B2 F2. Then you go to as you can see, it has brought one. So you can bring the cursor right here. Bring it down like that. So we are going to go on to our next and we find the positions. But first of all, we are first going to get the grade. And remember, to first get the grade, you're going to of each of the subjects we are going to come here on math. You're going to bring it right here. You tap on English. So we're going to right click, then we're going to insert. As you can see, this is the grade for math. So we are going to put here. We need to come here. We need to come back here. Then we're going to write grade. Right. Then we're going to also come back here. Come to SST. Right click. Then you insert. going to go back like that. So I'm going to insert. As you can see, this is the row for English. So we're going to also put the same thing grades. You can do the same for the SST one. You come here, right click, insert, write the same thing grades. And you're going to come for, you come and put the one for SST. You come here, you right click, then you insert, you put the grades, as you can see. So if you want to get the grades of the students, maybe you can come here in the formula bar, then you get the grades and you write the grades of the students, and that's how you can get it. Then you can, this is how you can get it. Then you put the grades of each of the students. Then you can come to the comment section and comment anything about the student and put the comment here. That's what I want us to learn about today. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. Thank you.